Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So, welcome back to my channel, and this time I'm going to show you what I found in internet and what I tried. And this time, I'm gonna show you something like a fancy lacing because, we don't want a typical and normal lacing, and that's so boring. So we're gonna make another recreation for the lacing that I found on the internet. So come on, let's get started. Let me show you how.
Sorry ass DJ.
So I make an animation. The red dots is the one you put it in the lacing, and the blue is where you supposed to put it out. So just pay attention to the animation that I make, the blue and the red dots. So once again, the red dots is where you get in the lacing, and the blue dots is where you got out the lacing.
You can get some.
Sorry ass DJ.
So this next shoe lacing is not so complicated and difficult, but you have to wear your shoes and put your feet into your shoes halfway through, so it won't gonna be really tight and hard to wear it, because once you finish this, you cannot adjust it anymore. So with this shoe lacing, you just have to do it a normal shoe lacing, but in reverse. Instead to start on the bottom, you start it on the top. And then you just have crisscross like the normal way how you do it, but in the end you just have to go back the lacing going up, and yeah, you have to put it up down, so it's like embroidery. So you have to alternately up and down, so it's not gonna be like one line from the bottom of all the lace or one line from the top of the lace. So that's the sense of that.
You can get some.
This one is also not so complicated. You just have to use a lipstick or a mascara or anything that will make a space for you, and then you just have to crisscross it together with the lipsticks and whatsoever.
You can get some.
This is really not that hard. You just have to pay attention to what I do, so you can really follow it. You anyway can post it while you're doing it, and yeah.
Sorry ass DJ.
You can get some.
I decided to make a step-by-step tutorial with this to help you guys. This, you're gonna need an odd number to your lace hole. So first, you're gonna start to 6, 6 to 4, and 5 to 3, and 4 to 2, and 3 to 1. And then you go up to the 6, and 1 to the 5. So the lace going up, you need to do it like embroidery, down, up, and then the last lace, the number 6 into the number 7, and the number 5 to number 7. So this is the finished product. But I decided to do a different lacing in the end, like what it showed in the previous videos. So yeah, you fold it going back, and then you roll it going back. So I decided to roll it for 4 times, and then put it in the middle. So let me show you some slow and step-by-step direction for this end lacing. So you see when you got it wrong. So yeah, you have to cross it over like that. So yeah, because the previous videos is so fast, so I decided to show really slowly, and I also decided to not cross over to the brands to cover the brands of the shoes. So I put it underneath of that, so the brands of the shoes will still pop up like that. And also the another idea of that is to let not this inner shoes going down and going up when you wear it. So you see, that also holds and supports the inner shoes, the tongue of the shoes that won't go down when you wear it. So yeah, this is kind of tricky. That's why I decided to do step-by-step and slow videos. Look at that. See? The brands still pop up and showed. You didn't cover the brands. So, check. Beautiful. Love it. See? Check. Oh, ganyan. So before you do some makeover to your beautiful shoes, I still have a lot of videos here in my channel. Go browse it, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time. Bye!
Sorry ass DJ.